Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cody. If you're new to the channel, crush that subscribe button. We're back in Toronto Pearson International Airport. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the trip to Vancouver. We're heading to Las Vegas today. We're going to film a couple videos there. Stay there for the weekend. I'll meet you there. Today, we got something pretty epic in store. As you can see behind me, we have Royalty Exotics right there. And let's check out some of the stuff Royalty Exotics has got around here in Las Vegas. So we got lots of slingshots. These are epic. Manual gearbox. If you guys are ever in the Las Vegas area, check out Royalty Exotic Car Rentals. I'll leave the link in the description. Lamborghini. We got Nissan GTR. Oh, of course, we got the Aventador, which we drove. These guys have got for rent. We'll go check out inside. Sorry, it's mind-blowing. It's one of one, and we're gonna go inside and take a look at it right now. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up. Free giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. Check out the merch for 10% off, link in the description below.